Okay guys, so today I'm on Warframe and I'm going to be doing a Boltor review. So here's the blueprint for it. You're going to need 2 neurodes, 900 salvage, 100 alloy plate and 600 polymer bundle. Now these materials should be easy enough to farm, but if you're struggling, maybe try some defense missions on the planet with your needed material. Okay guys, so here I am playing a bit of defense on Mercury. The Boltor had just ranked up and then I started recording. As you can see, the Boltor is quite a good gun, but it does have a slow fire rate, but that is accounted for with the high damage. The Boltor does struggle on moving targets, but still a very decent gun. Now guys, just watch to the end of the gameplay and then I will show you some mods for the Boltor. Okay guys, so you're definitely going to want speed trigger on the Boltor because it does have quite a slow fire rate. Next, you can choose any kind of damage increase you want. It will help to kill those guys quicker. After that, you can have ammo drum. That will help because you're going to go through that ammo quite quickly. And fast hands because it has quite a slow reload time. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.